Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Soda, and today I'm going to show you guys how I make the Macaron Tower. And I followed a bunch of YouTube videos, not one in particular, but I just took a little bit from every video that I have seen. So yeah, let's just get started. I'm just going to turn the camera around. Okay, so I got this cone here. It's a styrofoam cone, and I got it from Amazon. I Amazon everything if I can. Sorry, why did I put this so far? I need the double-sided sharp end toothpicks, and I just got this kind. You're gonna cut these in half after, I'll show you. And we also need foil to wrap around this as well, and some tape to put it to put the foil on. And let's just get started. Okay, so we're gonna use the styrofoam cone, and we're gonna just roll it up like this.
Like Papa do?
What? I use the shiny side out. I don't think it matters, but I just prefer it that way. And I'm a little short on this side, so I'm actually probably gonna cut a little off this end to attach there.
How's the deal?
What, baby?
I will do it.
Okay. So that's done there. I'm just gonna apply the tape. And I got my macarons from a bakery that's popular for cake, and I've ordered macarons from them before, and I absolutely love theirs, and I feel like the price is somewhat reasonable when you order in bulk. And yeah, so they have like a 20 pack, which is a round ring box, and they also have a dozen and then half a dozen. And I automatically assumed that the 20 pack would be a better price because, you know, when you buy more, it's gonna be a better price, right? Not always. So when I did the math, it actually worked out to be cheaper ordering the dozen. So there's our Macaron Tower, and I've already washed my hands. So here is. I got it from Amadeus. Yes, baby, I know, but you have to wait for the cake. So they come like this, and they have the cake towers as well for sale, but I wanted to save a few bucks, and so I decided to make it myself. So I'm just gonna close it. Yes, hold on, but you have to see how many extras I have first, okay?
After you going to think I have one.
When I'm gone? What do you mean when I'm gone?
You finishing think I have one.
Sorry guys, it's not focusing. But I'm just cutting the sticks all in half right now. I'm gonna see if I can double up. Make it a little faster. And I use the kitchen shears, I think they're chicken shears. And they have a little groove right here, and it just makes it so much easier to cut. Okay, I'm just gonna start poking these in right now, and we're gonna see how much we actually need as we go along. Okay, so I'm just gonna take one box for now. Just see. Get out there. Oops, sorry, wrong way. So I like to lean them up a little bit. They make it a little easier for them to stay on. And they don't slide off. In the past, I made them like straight horizontal, and I don't think that's a good idea. I think it's just easier for it to kind of go upwards, and then it kind of hangs on it. It just makes it better that way.
I like blue.
I know you like blue, baby.
I'll have one.
Okay, Mommy just has to make sure Mommy has enough.
No?
Yeah. Okay, but I know for sure I'll have extras. So if you just wait, Mommy will give you more. I will give you some. Somebody's excited, huh? And I mean, if you make a mistake, you can always just like take it out and repoke it. So I think it's pretty, you know, like if you're new at doing this, obviously, like you can make mistakes. It's okay. No one's gonna see the back of that. So see how I kind of had to repoke that one. Yes, baby? Who's up there?
The people.
People. Uh-oh, that's, you know what, I'm spacing them out too much. There we go. So I'm almost all the way around now. Halfway. Daddy, can you bring me the cake stand for me, please?
What's that?
The stand on the cake table right now. The table for my macaron.
What's this?
And I have just enough room for one. And I'm going to kind of try and space it right in the middle. Just a green. I just try to like... Thank you, honey. I just put like different colors. Oh, I lost the blue one.
I'll help you.
So, since I'm on the second row now, I'm gonna try and put them in between the actual, like the bottom ones. Like that. And I'm just gonna keep going around and around. And I don't have any doilies, but a doily would be really nice underneath. But I don't have it, so. Let's take a little tight here. Well, since I have some space here, I really can't fit another one in. What I'm going to do is, instead of kind of spacing it out, I'm going to leave this as the back side. So I'm going to continue here. So if anything, the back side will be like the spaced outside. So in the front, it'll look pretty still. I'm gonna fix this.
Fix that?
The part that had a lot of space.
Why
I think I have room to like fix it, so I'm going to, because I actually thought it was gonna be more spaced out on the top. That's what I like about this though. Like, I mean, you can still adjust it. It's never too late, unless you poke too many. So this is what it looks like so far. Beautiful. I probably could put them a little closer together, but that's okay. I still like it. Vicky, hold on, baby. So I'm at the top right now, and usually I just leave it. But this time I want to see if I poke one on the top, see if it looks better. Or hopefully it doesn't look funny. I'm gonna just see what it looks like. Let's see. Let's put a purple one on top. There you go. Oh, looks cute. Not bad.
Daddy,
Okay, well, there you go.
Daddy,
That's it,
can I
guys.
open
It's a little spaced out, but I still like the way it turned out. And yeah.
Mama, can I open this?
Thank you so much for watching my DIY, my macaron tower tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's pretty easy. I hope you guys give it a try. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.